Whoop. Well, another pistol catastrophically failed on the firing line. Mickey with CarryTrainer.com. I'm not trying to make this channel about guns breaking, but in this last class that we just finished 5 days of in Phoenix, Arizona, we had several guns happen to go down on the line while cameras were rolling. And there's a lesson to be learned from that, so I share it with you. Something I will say, this was an Archon Type B, and the day it happened, which was now 4 or 5 days ago, I shared a picture to Instagram, and a representative of the company reached out to me directly that evening so that I could get them immediately in touch with the owner of that firearm to get it repaired. So I think that's worth noting. I don't own the gun. I don't know the company at all. I have no affiliation with them. And they immediately, upon seeing this on social media, reached out. So we're not bashing the gun maker, but there is a lesson to be learned. Let's get back to the vid.
So a couple more times. Here we go. Here we go. Can we fix it, or do we need to get tools? Let's see. What'd you do, you think?
I have no idea.
Did that round go off?
Yeah, all three did.
Did you have a squib and send another one in there?
I don't think so.
All right, everybody holster up. We just got up. We got to fix a gun.
I heard distinct shots. I didn't hear a squeak.
Let's, while we fix this, paste your targets.
What's going on there?
Let's see. I think that feels better. Can you go straight down? Jeez. Wow. Okay, all right there. Take her over the berm, whip her in the desert, eh?
Yeah.
I don't know what to tell you. I might have to take it up to the office. They've got a vice up there. I don't want to break your shit, but that's going to have to get beat apart.
Yeah.
I mean, we're beat. I mean,
Get yet another pistol going down on the line. In this case, it's an Archon Type B. The shooter is a very skilled guy. He's an instructor, shoots a lot. He's got all kinds of pistols, and he was enjoying shooting this one. I'm not saying anything's wrong with this pistol manufacturer or anything like that, but these things happen, and I think it's valuable for us to share them and for you to see it. He did all the right steps trying to clear the jam, the malfunction on the line. When he couldn't do that, we took it off the line and tried to safely do it elsewhere. What we did end up finding out later was that the locking lug had sheared off, and just like the proverbial wrench in the works, that chunk of metal jammed up the action, and that gun was dead in the water until it had a workbench and proper tools to get it apart. Test your gear, and really vet the gear that you're using. Think about using stuff that is really tested and vetted. Mickey with CarryTrainer.com. Be well. Don't be dickheads. Tell somebody you love them, and we'll see you soon.
Adventure doesn't wait. It demands fuel. Fresh and energizing. Crafted for the untamed. For those who chase the light, Ignis Lux is the fire that keeps you going. Ignis Lux Coffee. Fire in your cup. Light in your soul.